In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to change keyboard layout to fix the issue or problem of typing special characters in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. So the main reason why you face an error of typing special characters is that you have set English United Kingdom as your language here in your Windows 11. So it is very crucial to set your language back to English United States or to set it into English United States here in your Windows 11. So how we can do so, here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together in your keyboard, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now from here, please proceed to the left side and locate for the time and language. The moment you've opened it, you would be able to see this four options, proceed with language and region. So here, as you can see, as what I have said earlier, this is very important, English United States. In my case, I have already set this as my language here, my Windows display language here. You can see that English United States, but in your case, you haven't set that. That's why you face an error. So let's go with the preferred languages. Click on add a language. And from that, you need to type for English. And here you need to scroll down on the list of results and please choose for English United States. So by that you need to scroll down and locate for it. So as you can see, in my case it is being grayed out because I have already set it as my language here in my computer. So in your case you have to select that. Okay, so let's say for example, let's say you English United States. Click on the next button here and this part is very important. Language preferences. You need to ensure that this box is checked. Again, I'm just showing you the example. It is stating here English United Kingdom, but in your case, you have to ensure that the preferred languages that you have selected is English United States. In my case, it is UK because I have already set that one. Just to show you this language preferences, that's why I'm choosing this United Kingdom, for example. So by that, you need to check this set as my Windows display language and go with install. And you need to complete the installation. And once done, okay, once done, you would be able to see a three dots here. Click on it and go with move up. Okay, click on move up. And once you have set the English United States as your display language or as the language here in your Windows 11, you need to remove that English UK. Click on the three dots here and go with removed. Okay, for example, it is English UK, go with removed. And once you've removed it, you would be able to fix the problem. Okay? Now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.